In this video, I will show you how to see recently watched videos on YouTube. If you previously watched some important videos on YouTube few days ago and now you want to see all of those videos, then it is very easy for us to find those videos because YouTube keep track of all of the videos that we watch on YouTube. So first of all, open YouTube. Now click on the profile icon. Before we move forward, make sure that you are logged into your account that you are using while you watch those videos, because YouTube keep track of the watch history inside our account. So make sure to log into your account first and then click on this profile icon and you will reach on this page. And here you can see a section called history, and inside history there is a list of videos that we previously watched. And when we click on view all, then you can see a complete history of all of the previously watched videos, and you can find specific videos based on different dates. And whenever we click on any of the video, then we can watch that video. And also there is a 3-dot button with every video. When we click on it, then we can also find some more options. For example, an option to remove from watch history. When we click on that, then that video will be removed from watch history. Also on top there is a 3-dot button. Whenever we click on that button, then we can see some more options. For example, there is a button clear all watch history. When we click on that, then all the watch history will be removed. So in this way you can find all of your watched history on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe.